Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the second episode of my Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be explaining you how to create variables and how to use them, how to do math, and how to make arrays and how to use them. So this is going to be a lengthy episode with a lot of content, so let's just get started. First, I'm going to show you how to create an integer. Just do that by going into your class, press enter, and then type int, that's a number, that's some kind of number, and then name, I'll say, I'll be calling it integer thingy, and then semicolon. This is a number, and let's do something like integer thingy is equal to 2. That means integer thingy is now the value of 2. And why does this give an error? Oh, I am accessing it from a static method, so you need to include static in front. If here in your function is something like static, you need to put it here. And then you just do something like that. Integer thingy is equal to 2. And then and then we are going to print it system.out.println integer thingy semicolon. Now you are going to print 2. There you see it. And now we're going to do integer thingy plus 5. Plus, I think it is. I don't know. No, you need to do something like integer thingy is equal to plus 5. This means you add 5 to integer thingy. You can also do something like integer thingy plus 5. That also works. The easiest way is plus equals plus, I mean. And now if we print it, system.out.println integer thingy, oh, and semicolon. Now it will be printing out 2 and 5. There you go. And now do something like integer thingy is equal to times 10. I don't know if this works. No, it doesn't work. Integer thingy times 10. And now it'll be printing out 2. Why did it print out 5? That shouldn't be printing out 5. Maybe the other way around. Probably. Yeah, there you go. It is plus equals, then not equals plus. And then just print it out of println integer thingy. Oops, semicolon. And now it should be shown 2, 7, and 70. Let's take a look. Works like a charm. So this is numbers. So let's go over to other kinds of numbers, because we also have something like static byte, high, static. Yeah, you can call all kinds of things byte, integer, long, short, all kinds of different variables. Byte is 8 bits, short is I think 16. I don't know, you can find it on the internet. I don't know if should say something about that. I really don't know how much it is. And then you also have something like a static boolean. Bool, just called like that. And this is an important variable in future. This is a really important one. This is just a true or false. Bool var is true, and then we could say bool var is equal to var is equal to the opposite of bool var. An exclamation mark means the opposite. So true and then false. So just do something like that. System.out.println bool var and system.out.println bool var. Oh. And now it should be printing true and then false. True and false. There you can see it. And after that I'm going to show you how to do strings. So let's make a string, static string that needs to be a capital string. String is equal to something like hi, and after that string dot length. So let's do something like that. System.out. Oh yeah, I am going to show you something weird. I'm going to show you something really difficult to do. System.out.println. Let's do something like that. Now it will be printing out the length of the string. This will return a integer, I think, and that is new. String.length. Length is a method, a function with a return value, not void but integer. So this will return the length of hi, which is 2. So let's do something like the length of plus string is that. This is something really weird for you right now. You can see a little string, the length of, and then you see plus. Plus means that it adds another piece of information to that string, which is another piece of string, which is hi, this. And then it adds another string is, and then it adds an integer of the length of hi. So let's try that out. That is a really difficult one, but this is how it works. I am going too far, but this is a really important step right now. Let's place dots behind it, of course, that's important. Right, like that. The length of hi is 2, just like I wanted, right? So these are all of the variables. These are most of the most important variables. In the next episode I'll be showing you something even more amazing, something like a library built in from no, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to generate random numbers. Yeah, that's a good idea, I think. So I'll see you next time when I'm going to show you how to generate random numbers. I hope you're all excited. So see you then.